Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shireen here with another video, and today we're gonna get into the world's most powerful facial, Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. So you're gonna need apple cider vinegar, a bowl, wooden spoon, the clay itself, and water if needed. So the direction reads, mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensils. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay and or liquid if needed. Once you apply the mask to your face, you're gonna feel the tightness sensation from after 5 to 10 minutes. If you're a person with sensitive skin, you don't want to leave this on your face for more than 15 to 20 minutes. And if you're not prone to sensitivity, then no more than 30. This clay is pretty cool. It's I read that it's also good for acne, body wraps, clay baths, soaking your feet, chilled clay for the knee packs, and also good for insect bites. So this clay is really beneficial for the body, and I'm doing an experiment, a 5-day experiment. So today it's actually my second day, but it's my first day for my mother, and so you're gonna see me with a batch of clay already. So I'm just making a amount to just reactivate my 1-day-old batch because I don't want to waste any of this. It's really beneficial for the skin, and so yeah, we're gonna get into that. Before I hold you close, just before hold you close. Oh girl, it's actually pretty hard trying to record without a tripod. Yeah, so this is why I keep going back and forth into both bowls to show you that I actually mixed both batches together. Another valid point, you want to make sure that you taking care of your skin after the clay mask with witch hazel and 100% shea butter. Majesty, yes, you know you are Majesty, my queen. So are you ready?
It's cold.
I mean, maybe now. But it's not gonna be freezing cold.
Oh.
Majesty. You know? Do you feel it getting tight?
Mm-hmm.
Already?
Mm-hmm.
Keep your eyes open.
Real tight. Look like a mouse. Don't make me laugh.
Turn.
There's something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just your smile. I don't know how to say it now. I've been thinking.
Is it gonna make my face look sexy?
For a while, the best way to say it, woman, your energy is right, yeah. Before I hold you in my arms, I wanna hold you in my heart. Before we share our love up on that bed.
Say cheese.
Jeez. Two monkeys. Ay.
I wanna place this crown up on
I can't even laugh.
your head, woman.
Will you put it up in your nose?
No, but you know sometimes I get blackhead here.
Just put it on just right there. You don't put it in your nose. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Mine's is cracking. I gotta stop talking.
Shasha,
Oh,
you
wait,
make
I'm not
it.
even catching you. I'm catching you.
Mhm.
There we go.
Oh, boy.
You look good. Your favor money.
Money.
It's gonna come off, don't worry.
Shit. Oh my God. No, I look like the Grinch.
No, you don't. I can see that it's tight.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
Yeah, right here. I feel like that.
That's good. That's good.
I hope it can come off though. I can't laugh. Why do I do?
Because you believe in me. Stop it.
Oh God. When you bust my pimple, you go. I can't even. This thing everything is so damn tight. Guys, so now we're gonna wash this off with warm water and let you know how it is after. Mine's is all cracking. Mommy made me laugh the whole time, but hers is still intact. I look like one desert, one dry desert.
Queen of the jungle, you are the lioness. Other feel in a grumble.
Now that you rinsed it off,
Feels
what
good.
was your what were you saying?
My face feels much lighter. It's not
And it made it red for you, right?
smooth. Good feeling.
Yeah, I got pretty much the same. So I'm gonna do this for 1 whole week, and I'm gonna see what changes it does to my face.
I can still make because the sensation is still
You still
there.
feel it from the Master Minty.
The minty, yeah.
Alright, so see you guys in the next 5 days. Okay.
Bye. Everything you tell me to do, I do it. And later on, I feel the holy hell.